Hi everybody in YouTube land. Easy sourdough bread recipe. I made it yesterday, baked it this morning. See, nice sandwich bread. You can, my son had a few pieces, so did I. So I'm making rolls tomorrow and another loaf of bread that I can freeze. So I'm going to show you easy one, super easy bread recipe. So what we're going to do is 4 cups of flour, and you can use any flour you want. Again, I use Stone Mill ground red wheat flour, and then a little rye and a little oat with a little stone milled bread flour. I will be, was that 4? I think that was 4, but I was talking to you, so we're gonna do that again. So there we go. And it doesn't, I know everyone's doing their scales and saying it has to be exact, but yeah, that was not 4, because that's why I knew there was dough left in here and I had flour left in here. I had pre-measured the 4, and I'm like, that couldn't have been 4. Okay, 4 flour and 2 cups of warm water, just 95 degrees. And then mix it together. Some people have fancy dough things and stuff. I just use this wide whisk that I have to get it mixed. And again, I'm going to be out of my flour soon, and I'll be making flour, so I'll have a video showing all of that, how I make it, how much of each. So, and the least is the rye. It's just a little rye, and then double the rye is the oat, and then double the oat is the wheat, and then that matches the stone milled bread and the other bread flour I get. Okay. All right. Then I need a cup of your sourdough starter. Nice and bubbly. Smells really good. Mix a cup of the sourdough starter. Got just enough left in the container to feed, so I have more for a couple days to make more bread. All right. Okay, it's really thirsty dough. I'm gonna end up needing more water too, I can see. I got my filtered water. So I know they say just use your hands, but I use a spatula to start with. I use a spatula to work it in a little. And then I just fold it in to the sourdough and the flour and the water. And this is the easy one. It doesn't have the egg or the honey. It does have a little salt I will put in here, but it doesn't have the egg, honey, or olive oil. You can also add the olive oil to it too. I mean, you can add all of the ingredients if you want to, but and I do a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And now I get my hands in there and mix it up. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna get my hands wet. I don't know if you can see very good there. Just kind of like a stretch and fold, but I'm mixing it up. So just kind of folding it over and making sure to get the right consistency. sourdoughs are stickier, it's gonna be sticky. And that is fine. It'll sit, and then we'll do more stretch and fold. So I'll let it sit an hour, and then I'll do a stretch and fold every half hour until I go to bed. And then I put it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I get it out and put it on the counter. Well, I should say, you can do that, or last night what I did was I actually put it in the bread pan. So right before bed I turned it out onto the cookie sheet and did my shaping, and I think I've shown you that already. Did the shaping, and there we go, and then put it in the pan with parchment paper and let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then I took it out this morning and baked it. Okay, so a little stickier. We'll see what it's like in an hour. I'm going to have to shut it off though, because it won't pause for an hour. So part 1.